Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great today. Okay, so a quick update on our Real Stingy Man challenge. But before that update, let me just say something very important. I've received a lot of emails from people who were once touching themselves to come. You know what I mean, right? So you know that I have done a video. In fact, on my YouTube channel, I have a video that is pinned on that channel to this effect. I have already told us that if you are touching yourself to come, you are having sex with a demonic entity. And there are so many people, like so many who have watched my video, and they kept writing me to say that after watching your video, I just got delivered from this thing without even any prayers. And I give glory to God for that. But the point is that most of them will get back to me and say that after I got free from that stuff, I don't touch myself anymore. The only problem I have now is that afterwards, I keep finding myself having wet dreams. Now, let me explain to you real quick. I'm still going to do something more elaborate on this topic, but real quick, let me explain to you why you're having wet dreams immediately after being delivered from the wickedness, yeah? The reason you're having wet dreams is because you already had soul ties initiated with these demonic entities that you were making love to. Remember what I told you guys about soul ties? You know, if you watch my soul tie videos, you'll see clearly we have temporary and permanent soul ties. And if you touch yourself to come, you know that when you're coming, you reach orgasm. And when you reach orgasm, it simply means that you have actually gotten to the point where you bonded with a demonic entity. And that is soul tie right there. And that soul tie lingers on after you have been delivered. So the next thing you need to do is that you have to pray our soul tie prayers, which by the grace of God has already been pinned on our Telegram group. Our Telegram group is known as Real Stingy Man Global, Real Stingy Man Global, right? So if you are joining this challenge, which is kicking off on the 20th of July, just a few days from now, okay, you have to make sure you call the number that's on the screen so you can join the Real Stingy Man Global on Telegram. And then when you get on Telegram, you can access that prayer and make sure you pray the prayer. If you go on that group right now, it's bubbling already. There are too many people there. There are people who are already sharing testimonies. We haven't even started. I think I read something from someone who said he prayed the prayer and he was vibrating, and that is the same thing that happened to me. But I didn't even talk about that when I posted the prayer. I just kept quiet because I knew that people are going to have that kind of experience. So as we go on, we are going to be getting to hear and know more about this process. So if you're one of those people who got delivered from this touching myself thing, and then all of a sudden you see yourself having wet dreams, I suggest that you go ahead and pray that soul tie prayers for men. And so many women have also reached out to me by email asking that they want to be a part of this. You can now be a part of this right now. And you are not going to have to pray the prayer for men because it's specifically tailored for men. But the good news is that we also have prayers for women to break soul ties. Yes, of course, we do. And I have decided, because of the number of emails I've received from ladies, I've decided we are actually probably going to have to launch Real Stingy Women's Challenge. I don't know how that is going to be, but whether we launch it or not, in less than a week from now, I'm going to make that prayer public for ladies so that all our sisters and our mothers and married women who have had these past experiences with whether the demonic entities or maybe with partners in your past, and you want to break loose from the soul tie so you can dedicate your emotional column, your soul, to your husband's emotional energy alone, okay? We're going to make that prayer available in just a few days from now, and I'm going to make sure it goes public. And if possible, also announce something to the effect of Real Stingy Women Challenge. Who knows, maybe that's also going to be wonderful. But for now, if you're a lady, you cannot pray the prayer for men because it's strictly for men. So look forward to yours. In less than a week, I make a promise. We're going to make it public, and we're going to probably start something for you guys. God bless you guys, and let's keep our fingers crossed. I'm probably going to make a statement or, you know, drop some prayers for us by the midnight of July 20 so that we can get started with this thing. I see a lot of positive energy, and I'm so happy I listened to God and obeyed to do this. God bless you.